Good morning, students. I'm Megha, your SST teacher. Today's topic is our beautiful country. India is very beautiful. The varied land features on its surface, like hills, mountains, valleys, plains, etc., add to its beauty. These land features are also called its physical features. From the Himalayas to the Indian Ocean, desert of Thar in the snowy mountain of Sikkim, it is a country full of beautiful landscape and beautiful people. It is a unique country with diversity. Unity is diversity is the main slogan of our country. India is located in the southern part of India. It stretches from Jammu Kashmir to the Kanyakumari south about 3014 km, and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh is about 2933 km. The southern part of India is surrounded by the Arabian Sea along with the western coast, the Bay of Bengal along the eastern coast, and the Indian Ocean in the south. This type of landform is surrounded by water are known as peninsula. The landforms surrounded by water are known as Indian Peninsula. Our neighboring country, Pakistan and Afghanistan in the west, Nepal, China, Bhutan in the north, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east, Sri Lanka and Maldives in the south, across the sea ocean. These are our neighboring country. You can see in this picture Pakistan and Afghanistan in the west, Nepal, China, Bhutan in the north, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east, Sri Lanka and Maldives in the south, across the sea. Now we come to the political division of India. As we know, India is a vast country with large population. It is the second largest country of the world. To run the country smoothly, it has been divided into a number of small areas. These are called states and union territories. India has 28 states and 9 union territories. Among these, Rajasthan is the largest and Goa is the smallest state in area. Delhi is the national capital territory. Every state and union territory having an important city or town. Every state or and union territory having an important city or town as its capital. This is called capital. You can see in this political map of India and learn the name of states and capital. Now we come to the physical divisions of India. Depending on the varied land features, India can be divided into 6 main features. You can also see in the picture. First is northern mountain, that is done with the color brown, and second is the northern plains. This is the area. This is near to you can see it with the green color. The Great Indian Desert, that is with the color yellow. The Deccan Plateau, lemon color. The coastal plains with dark green color, and the islands with the blue color. This is the physical division of India. So, depending on the varied land features, India can be divided into 6 main physical divisions. Like in the northern mountains, you can see the mountains, hilly area. In the northern plains, there is a area plain surface. We can do easily farming. In the desert, you know about the deserts, the Deccan Plateau, the coastal plains that are near to the sea coast, and the islands. Okay.